Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good and doing great. So once again welcome to the interview series. So in this session we will talking about one of the another most important or the most well-known company about interview process. So the company name is the Siemens Healthineer. So the Siemens Healthineer is a well-known company. So it's coming under top 5 health domain company, and it's basically into the in India. They are operating in the Bangalore location. So today I will let you know like what is the process and all. If anyone want to interested into that company. So today this interview is basically belong to the full stack developer, so or the person who have the knowledge about the .NET profile. So we will try to cover that profile in this Siemens Healthineer. So first, in the first step, the HR will call you, and the HR will take your resume from the two mode. The first mode is directly from the Naukri.com or any of the other website from they pick based on their requirement, and the second one is any of the referral, or means your colleague or your friend is working into the same company, so they can also refer your resume to the profile. So these are the two way the HR will get the your profile, and after that they will call you. And I told you in the previous series also, there is the first interaction there. They will just let you know like what is your ambition and how you are representing yourself in a effective way. So more or less is a basic communication skill check and all. So if they are find stable with their current profile or current requirement, so they will send you the one of the hacker rank link. So the hacker rank is basically is a portal there. You are provide like this website are providing the Visual Studio or the any of the ID there. The developer is much more familiar this one. So they are just giving the small example, like if for example there is a one string and that string have some name, for example Satyajit Sani. So if they are giving this string, so in this string you need to count the, or you need to extract the duplicate number or duplicate key from that name, or sometime you need to fetch the unique character as a string from that any of the given string. So these two or three type of question they are asking. Basically they are asking onto the simple array type of question. So just prepare onto Notepad++. Don't try to use the IntelliSense ID, like for example Visual Studio or the Visual Code, because sometime when we are going to any of the interview, they are giving plain things. So there we need to try to learn the syntax and all. So try to make these things like without using any of the idea, and also it will help so much. So coming on to the second one, so when like it will take 1 or 2 days, maximum 2 days. So if your hacker rank test is cleared, then HR will call you again. So there is a one technical round. So in this technical round, this is totally telephonic, or sometime it depend on to the like some of the you can say is a team and all. So they are using this thing, but most of the time they are taking the interview onto the telephonic based. So if you are clear on that one, so they are again the same technical round, like little bit advanced. So in this the first technical round, they are asking the simple oops concept, whatever I said into the earlier video. Like there is a what is a oops pillar about, and what is a normal thing, string builder, what is link queue and all, and what is a dynamic query and all, and simple question onto the store proc and all. So generally their purpose is to look it out like the person have the basic skill or not. So if you are clarify or clear this down, so there is a little bit advanced interviewer going on. So there is a, you can say there is a one interviewer along with one architect. So there they will ask little bit architect related things, like for example you have any of the application, so what is your thought process to make this application like big and all, and what type of challenging you face. They are just asking for the practical scenario whatever you faced in your experience. So when this part is done, so there the third round is the manager round. So in the manager round they are just asking their basic detail, their family related background, like what, from which background you are coming and all. And they basically their intention is to check it out, like the person is really interested for the company or not. Because sometimes we are see like most of the colleague or most of the person or the interview guy have the so many of the offer letter. So they are just trying to brush up their knowledge again and again. So they are trying to find out the answer, like yes, if we are giving the time for this guy, because it's a 1 year, 1 month, 2 month or 3 month notice period. So this guy is really going to join our organization or not. And some of the portion of the depend on the sometime if the profile is higher. So there is some salary negotiation is also happen in the manager round, because the manager is the person who know that in my project what is the what type, what range of people required, like is a 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakhs on budget wise, totally budget wise. So when everything is settled down, and if manager feel like you are good with the compliance with the company, then they are say thumbs up at that time. Because most of the time they can give the hint like yes, you are selected for this and all. So the again they are coming on to the last round for the HR. So the HR will ask you some of the basic things, like that one of the most necessary or compulsory document is your passport. So you have to prepare or you should have your passport with at least 1 to 2 year of the expiry date, because the passport is must for this one. And the other document is like your qualification, your Aadhaar card and all. So they it depend on the pandemic. So in this pandemic what they are doing, so they are just collecting all the things through the Gmail or the any of the Yahoo and whatever the public domain website and all. And after that they are releasing the document as a soft copy. And the good thing is whatever the laptop or whatever the goodies on the joining, uh, so they are providing or they are courier onto your home. If you are onto the same city like in the Bangalore and all, so one person physically come on your doorstep and they will hand over the laptop and the other necessary things. And if you are far from the Bangalore or the company location, then what they are doing, they are just doing the courier. And after like you are getting the courier, so you need to inform or you need to send the acknowledge mail to the HR department. Yes, means yes, I received the document and all. So these are the full process and all. And if you want like more information regarding what type of question they are asking in the basic and all, or how to prepare the .NET profile for as a full stack developer. In the full stack, like here I'm trying to cover is the Angular and all. If and along with that, sometime the people are asking for this Selenium also. It is good because the person who are coming from the C sharp background, so they must be aware onto the uh, about C sharp side. And C sharp Selenium with C sharp, that is also the good thing, because it also give the opportunity or the bonus point to for the selection. I hope you enjoy this information. And if any more information I got the from the company or any of the things are pending, so I will soon let you know. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this one. Thank you.